morning, guys. So today we are going to finish Marx's and possibly move down to Grandma's and get that 15 acres done, because I know that will fit in the bin, and personally I would like to just buzz down there, get that picked, and then all we would have left to do after we haul some corn out of that bin, I think about 20,000, all we would have left then is shins, and there's about 140 acres of corn over there, I believe. We will end up finishing, more than likely, this week then. That'll be awesome. Dad's gonna go ahead and finish these last few rounds in this field. There's like 4 rounds left. He's gonna do that. Grandpa and I are gonna start moving stuff up to this north field, or what we call north of 1250. There's about 50 acres in this field. And then the last field is literally just on the other side of those semis, and it's about 20 some acres in that field. Last pass for this field. Right now I'm bringing the head cart over to this 20 some acre field here. Dad is working on opening up the ends on that north side. Once we get done with this field, which shouldn't take us long at all, a couple hours at the most, we're just gonna move everything back home and call it quits, because we're not gonna worry about moving down to Grandma's today and doing that. I kind of wish we would, but it is what it is. It's supposed to rain and snow the next couple of days. I've heard anywhere from 1 to 3 to 5 to 9, so I don't know. We'll see what we get. Hopefully it doesn't amount to anything. Once the weather straightens back up after these next couple of days, we need to get the cover crops seeded on Mary Lou's, a big irrigator field, and all of Marx's here. So that's about 350 acres that needs to be done. We'll just have Kaiser go ahead and spread it, and I'll work it all in with the vertical till. All of Marx's will be beans next year, so we're gonna try and get this farm back on a complete rotation here. Last year it was kind of mixed. We had a little bit of wheat and double crop beans on the one field, and the rest of this was all corn. This year we switched it all, so it was all back to corn. That way next year when we rotate, it'll all be beans done.
In the city all day from the Ford Lincoln Studios of LaPorte. This is the new Rock 106.5, LaPorte's Rock Station.
Well, thanks for watching, guys, and this will do it for this video, and I will catch you guys after the snow flies.